What's up, everyone? I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to see your followers in the Roblox app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. When someone follows you on Roblox, they can see your activity on the platform and easily see what you're doing. Because followers are an indicator of your popularity on Roblox, you'll want to keep a close eye on how many you have and who they are. Thankfully, Roblox makes it easy to see your followers in the Roblox app. Now let's walk through the steps to see your followers in the Roblox app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Step 1. Launch the Roblox app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. You'll land on your Roblox home screen. Step 2. Tap the More icon in the menu on the screen. The menu icon looks like an ellipsis and features 3 dots. Step 3. Tap Profile in the list of options on this screen. The profile screen is shown. Step 4. Scroll down this screen until you arrive at the Friends section and then tap See All. You'll land on the My Friends section. Step 5. Tap Followers in the menu on this screen. You'll see a list of all of the Roblox user accounts that are following you. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.